This is the Hooded Merganser. This bird has an impressive appearance. Both sexes have crests that can increase or decrease. The Hooded Merganser is a sexually dimorphic species. The adult female has a grayish-brown body, with a narrow white patch on the lower breast and belly. She has a light reddish-brown crest that extends from the back of her head. During the non-breeding season, the male looks like the female except that his eyes are yellow and the female's eyes are brown. In breeding plumage, the dorsal areas and head, neck and chest of the adult male are mainly black with white markings. There are large white spots on both sides of the crest, and they are particularly visible when he raises the crest during courtship. Males and females form monogamous pairs and remain together until the female selects a nesting cavity and finishes laying her brood. Females typically nest in cavities in dead trees. They prefer cavities 4 to 15 feet above the ground. The female lays a clutch of 7 to 15 eggs, but only begins incubation when the last egg is laid, thus allowing for synchronized hatching. Consequently, all puppies are the same size, which facilitates efficient parental care. During incubation, the female can lose between 8% and 16% of her body weight. Like most waterfowl, Hooded Merganser chicks are precocious and usually leave the nest within 24 hours of hatching. After hatching, the ducklings have the option of climbing the tree or jumping from a height of several meters to reach the water sources. After leaving the nest, the young are able to dive and forage, but remain with the female for warmth and protection.